In this video, we will discuss confidence intervals. Confidence intervals are available on the Iowa Public Health Tracking Portal and can also usually be found in reports, articles, and other portals. What are confidence intervals, though? Well, let's say you want to know the percent of people in Iowa who have diabetes. Iowa has a population of more than 3 million. It would be really hard and expensive to ask all 3 million people if they have diabetes. Since we can never know the true prevalence of diabetes, you might sample 100 people out of the 3 million and ask those 100 people if they have diabetes. The percentage of the sample who respond that they have diabetes would be an estimate of the true percentage of the population of Iowa with diabetes. However, we don't expect that the percent from our sample of 100 people will exactly equal the true percent from all 3 million people. In fact, if we took another sample of 100 different people, the percentage of those 100 that have diabetes will probably be different than our first 100. What the confidence interval does is it gives us an idea of the accuracy of the sample estimate. For example, in 2017, the sample survey of about 7,000 Iowans found that 9.6% of those surveyed have ever been told they have diabetes. That 9.6% is our best estimate of what the percentage would be if we had been able to ask everyone in Iowa if they have diabetes. Since we expect the percentage in the sample to be somewhat slightly different from the percentage for all 3 million in the entire state, we make a confidence interval based on the sample data. The 95% confidence interval in 2017 is 8.8% to 10.4%. We are highly confident that the total percentage of Iowans who have diabetes is somewhere in the range of 8.8% and 10.4%, based on our sample that gave us an estimate of 9.6%. You will typically see that a confidence interval is reported as a 95% confidence interval, but other levels like 90% or 99% are sometimes used. The 95% value is our level of confidence. So what does 95% confidence mean? We already know that if we take two completely different samples, this would likely give us different estimates and different confidence intervals. Imagine doing this 20 times and getting 20 different estimates and 20 different confidence intervals. The 95% confidence means that we expect 1 or 5% of those 20 intervals to not contain the true state percentage, while 19 or 95% of them would. In other words, using this method, we expect that 95% of the time we will be right. In practice, we only take one sample and compute one confidence interval, so the confidence level reflects the strength of our belief in whether the true state percentage is actually within the confidence interval we have calculated from our sample.